Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix equipped weapon or gadgets or characters become invisible in Battlefield 6 while you are trying to launch the game on your PC, on Steam or on EA Sports. Then how we can fix this? So let me directly get into step one by one. So the first and foremost step is all about you have to install or move the game to an SSD. For me, in my case, right now if you check, go over here, right click and go to manage, click on the browse local file. As you can see right now the game is on E. So the game is on E. So I have to either move the game to an SSD. Let me move, you have to move the game to D or move to C. I'm suggesting you can move to the C or you can try to the SSD and then you can check. This didn't work at free users, so you can try this one as the first step. Next one is all about we need to delete the cached folder. We need to delete the cached folder. To do so, go over here in the file explorer, this PC, local disk C, go to users, your user folder, go to app data. Sometimes app data will not be visible. If that is the case, go over here, click on the view, go to show, make sure that you put a check on hidden item. If it is disabled, we can see that the app data is not visible. To make it visible, just go over, click on the view, go to show over here and put a check on hidden items. Now go to app data, now go to local. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to Battlefield. So you'll be having a separate folder here for the Battlefield. So once you get into the folder for the Battlefield, you'll be having a cache over here inside it. Just delete it. You can delete the folder cache. Okay, you have to delete it. Once you delete, you have to check. That might help. It did work at 50 users. We can try this out. Next one is all about if you're in the Steam, then you have to close the Steam. Then we have to open it back. Or you can try restarting. For restarting, you just need to go back, go over here at the top, click on the Steam. Now go to exit. After the exit is done, you have to just wait for 1 minute. Then you have to launch back the Steam. Then you have to check. You can just launch the Steam, then launch the game. Similarly, if you're on the EA Sports, you have to do the same. If you're already in the EA Sports, just close the EA Sports, then open the EA Sports. Now, once you logged into the EA Sports, this is how it looks like. Now you can play the game and that might work. That even helped with many users, so you can try this out. Next step is all about we need to make sure one thing. We need to verify the game file. So game file is actually a very important step. So let me go over here, go to the game, right click and go to manage. Now go to the installed files. Now click on verify integrity of beta. So this will take a lot of time. So what happens is this will be cross-checking every single files of a game. And if any files are corrupted and if any files are missing, all these kind of issues will be fixed by this particular step. So this will take a little bit of time, even though it worth a lot. So you can just wait for this and you can check. You can try the same step on your EA Sports app. So if you have any kind of game on EA Sports, for example, you need to having option here. If you click on that, there will be having a verify option. For me, I don't have the game, so I'm not able to demonstrate you. But to the users on the Steam, you can do like this. Then you can check. After the verify, you can check. Next one, we need to run the game as an administrator and run an EA anti-cheat as an administrator. So go over in the game, right click and go to manage, browse local file. Now go to this PC, go to local disk E, Steam library, Steam amps, common. Now from here you have to navigate to Battlefield 6, that is Glacier events. Now this is the .exe, right click and go to show more options, go to the properties, compatibility, put a check on run this program as an administrator, put a check on disable full screen optimization, and also put a check on run this program in the compatibility mode. Both should be done like this. So you have to make sure this is on Windows 8, go for apply and go for OK, then you have to check. Next one, go to over here, you have to right click and go to show more options, go to the properties, go to compatibility. Then you have to put a check on run this program as an administrator, put a check on disable full screen optimization, and also put a check on run this program in the compatibility mode. Now go for OK, then you have to check. That might work. Next one, we need to repair the EA anti-cheat, then uninstall and reinstall back. So go over here, go to EA anti-cheat folder. Now this is the administrator. So right click over here and go to run as administrator. Then go for yes. Now you'll be have this particular option. Now in order to repair it, first you need to click on the repair. Just select the game folder. So go over here, go to this PC, go to local disk E, Steam library, Steam amps, common, glacier events. Now go over here, Win32 game. Sorry. Sorry, just select this, go for select. Then as you can see, you don't have to select exe, just select the folder and this process will start. So it will take a little bit of time. So once everything is successfully done, you'll be getting a greeting here. Repair is successfully done. Once done, you have to go to the next one. After the repair is, as you can see, it is installed as success. Now we need to uninstall the AC anti-cheat. So just click on uninstall. Then now it is uninstalled, right? Now you have to close this. Now we have two methods. One, go over here. While you launch the game, the anti-cheat will be reinstalled back. While you launch the game, the EC anti-cheat will be reinstalled back. If that is not the case, after launching the game, still if you are having the trouble, we can go over here and right click and run it as an administrator. So the anti-cheat will be reinstalled back. Then you have to check. Next one, we need to make exception for the game exe. So just go over here. Go to the Windows security. You have to go over here, search for the Windows security. Click on the Windows security. App and browse control. Go to exploit protection setting. Go to program setting. Now click on the plus icon. Now from here, we need to add the choose extract file path. Now go to this PC. Go to local disk E, Steam library, Steam amps, common. Go to glacier events. Select this one and add it. Now make sure that you put a check on this, turn this off, put a check on this, turn this off, put a check on this, turn this off, put a check on this, turn this off. You have to turn off all these things. Go over here, turn this off. Then go for apply. Then you have to check. That will work. Next one, make sure the system should be, if you're having the trouble with EA app, beta is not able to download or launch on the Steam, then try downloading it once again in the EA app. If you're having the trouble with EA app while you're trying to download or when you're trying to play the game for the beta, you're having a lot of trouble, the game is not launching. If that is the case, or if you're having this particular issue, that is the occupied weapons or gadgets characters becomes invisible, then go to the Steam, make an account in the Steam, then download the game on the Steam, then try launch the game. That will work. So both are fine. You can try this. Any one of the steps might work. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe on the bell icon for more these kind of videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.